Hello everyone, you're welcome to Sew with Soria. How do we use a soldering iron? Soldering iron actually is a hand tool which is used to heat solder. It's usually from an electrical supply at high temperature above the melting point of the metal alloy. But now designers use it to trim edges of a fabric. You understand? They use it to create a good finishing, and it can be used to trim on laces, edges, or Ankara patches. So this is how I was using my soldering iron on this particular lace. Actually, at this point the soldering iron was not very hot, so I allowed it to heat up some more. Then you put it on a wooden surface. You can place it on a wooden surface. Then what you do is just to trim off the excess out. You can use this for your beaded lace. You can use it to trim on Ankara. Just be careful with your hand so you don't burn yourself because it's very hot. As you can see the way I'm doing it, you can place it on the surface of the table or on a wooden surface so it doesn't burn your hand, and that's just how you use your soldering iron. Soldering iron gives you a very good finish. When you are working with, maybe you don't want to make use of the scissors, but the scissors, actually you can also use your electric scissors. The scissors will not really give you a good finish, but using a soldering iron gives you a very good finishing. You can see. Just continue like so. Allow it heat up very well. By the time it has heated up very well, it will be very easy to remove. The fabric will just be cutting by itself. It doesn't heat up, as you can see now. See, I've been removing it already, and it's just cutting by itself, as you can see. So it's already helping me trim the edges. Just be very careful with your hand when you are doing this. See, the soldering iron is very hot at this point and it's removing seamlessly. Let me trim the edges seamlessly. So that is how you use your soldering iron. I believe you've gotten value from this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel as we bring you more videos. Bye.